Hello everyone, dear listeners. Today, I am going to introduce you to a product that will revolutionize your daily life and transform your living environment. Imagine pure mist, healthy humidity, and revolutionary technology at your fingertips. Madams and MM. Welcome to the world of the Philips Series 2000 Air Humidifier, the ultimate solution for breathing pure air and living in absolute comfort. Click on the link in the description to learn more about its unique features, see the thousands of reviews left by satisfied customers, and order yours now. The Philips Series 2000 Air Humidifier is ideal for anyone looking to improve their quality of life by breathing purified air. Whether you are looking for a healthy environment for your bedroom, home, or workspace, this smart humidifier adapts to your needs, providing optimal comfort for everyone. Breathe better with the natural evaporation process of NanoCloud, which provides cleaner mist than ever, without heating the water and by dispersing fewer germs compared to ultrasonic humidifiers. It ensures fresh and pure air conducive to a healthy life. No more damp spots, dust, and impurities. But that's not all. This technological gem features 3 fan speeds, allowing you to regulate humidity in rooms up to 30 metinines. In standby mode, it becomes the ideal companion for your bedroom or home, creating a soothing atmosphere for restorative sleep. And guess what? You can own it with just one click on the link in the description and see thousands of extremely satisfied customer reviews. The ultra-fine evaporation of the NanoCloud makes the mist invisible, thus preventing the spread of unwanted molecules in the air. Easy to use with 3 humidity settings. This Philips Series 2000 humidifier turns on and off automatically, giving you complete control over your environment. Imagine having the ability to know in real time the humidity level, the water level in the 2-liter tank, the timer, and the different modes thanks to the integrated digital display. The automatic detection every 3 seconds adjusts the humidification to ensure an ideal level and to make your experience optimal. The humidified air is distributed evenly in all directions thanks to the 360-degree circulation. No more dry and uncomfortable areas in your room. Don't miss the opportunity to click on the link in the description to see the thousands of customer reviews attesting to its impressive quality and to order yours at the best price and revolutionize your daily life. You are probably wondering how it is possible to keep this device clean and pleasant. Don't worry. The removable 2-liter tank is easily filled at the tap and its rounded shape makes cleaning easy. You deserve a healthy atmosphere, and this Philips Series 2000 humidifier ensures that you achieve it effortlessly. It is ideal for rooms up to 30 square meters. It offers a humidity output of up to 200 ml per hour, creating the perfect environment for your well-being. Furthermore, with NanoCloud technology, it guarantees hygienic humidification that carries fewer germs into the air than traditional humidifiers. By using the power of natural evaporation, this humidifier adds moisture to the air without heating the water, thereby eliminating the risk of burns. Additionally, it helps maintain your skin's hydration, preventing the discomfort of itching. And the best part is that this Philips Series 2000 air humidifier is available at the best price. By clicking on the link in the description, you will also find thousands of customer reviews to help you make your decision. Now, let's recap the advantages as well as the disadvantages. Advantage number 1. Advanced NanoCloud technology. The NanoCloud evaporation technology provides cleaner mist, eliminating germs and ensuring purified air. Advantage number 2. Smart control, 3 fan speeds, automatic detection, real-time display, and multiple modes ensure complete control over humidification. Advantage number 3. Ease of use. The removable 2-liter tank fills easily at the tap, and the rounded shape makes cleaning easy, ensuring a hassle-free experience. Advantage number 4. Benefits for the skin. It maintains skin hydration, reducing itching and contributing to healthy skin. Now let's move on to some drawbacks. The number 1 drawback is the limited tank capacity. The 2-liter tank may require frequent refilling in very dry environments or during long periods of use. Disadvantage number 2. Need for regular maintenance. Like any device, it requires regular maintenance to ensure optimal operation. In summary, this Philips Series 2000 humidifier offers a quality experience, but it is important to consider these aspects for use that is suited to your specific needs. So, don't wait any longer. Transform your daily life. Breathe pure air and enjoy the comfort you deserve. Click the link in the description now to order your Philips Series 2000 air humidifier at the best price. Discover the thousands of enthusiastic customer reviews and make every breath a pure moment of well-being. Your well-being starts here and now with Philips. Thank you very much for your attention and see you soon.